Here's the harsh truth. You're not going to get started in January. If you're not able to start implementing healthy habits now, you will not in January. Do not think there's a magical start date. I know everybody does it, and they're the ones that always fall off within a month or two. It is great to have fantastic intentions, but anything I've ever been successful in, whether it's my business, my physique development, whatever it may be, it's always been now. What can I do now? I'm not going to be perfect. I'm going to make mistakes. Every time I have said to myself, I'll do it tomorrow. I'll do it Monday. I'll do it January. It's never worked out. Never, ever, ever does. And I know that's the same for everybody else. When I've talked to them, I've seen it so many times. It doesn't work out if you're putting a magical start date on it. Now is the time. Start implementing small habits. That can be bringing your step count up. That can be monitoring the nutrition that you're taking in. That can be bringing in a bit more protein. That can be not being a dickhead when you're out and having a takeaway after the night out and 2 or 3 takeaways the next day. Maybe it's just one the next day. Maybe that's your start. But don't expect things to magically start happening in January. Because if you're not starting to implement things now, it's not going to magically just start happening then. Intentions are fantastic, but it's actions now that truly matter.